Hi everyone, so I received a package from Craft Art Club and they are working with me and they sent me these items. So I got this Santa Claus Christmas card. I also got some Christmas dinosaurs. Let me open this up to share with you guys what they look like. They're super cute. You guys know that I love dinosaurs. So there's the first one, and he has a little present on his back. This one's holding the Christmas tree. This one looks like Rudolph. This one has a Santa hat and his present. And then this one is wrapped up in some Christmas lights. So those are going to be really fun to go ahead and put together. And then on this pack, they are the rhinestones with a couple of solid ones. And look, they have little googly eyes. So stinking cute. So these are going to be really, really pretty once they're all put together. And then it does come with accessories right here to go ahead and turn them into keychains. But I'm going to be using them for charms, for chunky charms. And then I got this gorgeous, gorgeous pack. They are a bunch of angels. These are going to be gorgeous when they're done. I could just tell. So on this one, look at her gorgeous face. Let's open these up so we can see the different styles. Oh, they're all the same girl. So they are just little angels, double-sided. Oh, the wings are different. So the wings are different on that one. Oh yeah, the wings are different, but it's the same face. So those are the little angels right there. These are going to be really, really pretty when they're all done. And again, this kit comes with everything you need right here to go ahead and make them into little keychains. And let's get out the rhinestones. Yep, so these are rhinestones and some solid ones as well. And then it does come with the tray, the little bags for your little drill bits, the wax that you put into the pen, so you can go ahead and pick up all the pieces. So that is everything that I got from them. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll go ahead and I will be linking their website down below along with these products, so you guys can go and check them out. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day, and I will be back to show you the completed projects. All right, bye guys.